Forest resources have played a critical role in sustaining our national and local economies. However, as public goods, they were often taken for granted. If we can place value on our forests, we will understand how blessed a community is to have these resources at their disposal. In our project, using the case of the Bataan Natural Park, we asked whether people value ecosystem services that forests provide and what are the implications of uncovering people's value for forest conservation. Our study site, the Bataan Natural Park or BNP, is one of the key biodiversity areas in the country. The park undeniably provides the communities and individuals in the area with various ecosystem services that enhance their welfare, specifically recreational and provisioning services. The project team covered 7 municipalities and 13 barangays of Bataan. The general objective of our study is to assess the economic benefits of bioresources, recreational ecosystem services, and non-use values in BNP in support of developing policy options for access and benefit sharing and payment for ecosystem services mechanisms. We wanted to make the ecosystem services more visible in development planning. To do this, different valuation tools and methods were used to help decision makers develop policy options that consider economic growth and biodiversity conservation. To understand BNP's role in wealth creation, a term more appropriate when discussed in an economics context, let me show you the 5 capitals model developed by the Forum for the Future and how this can contribute to wealth creation in the context of our project. Natural capital, the valuation of the park's resources, could help us understand if they are being used sustainably by the different stakeholders. This formed the basis for enhancing conservation programs and other interventions designed to manage and protect forests. For human capital, the study results help enrich the knowledge and awareness of different stakeholders concerning the importance and value of non-marketed goods and services that BNP has been providing them. For social capital, this helps establish trust and collaboration among stakeholders in the area, which is essential in ensuring the success of initiatives to conserve park biodiversity. This could be basis for planning approaches to draw meaningful participation from the communities residing within and outside the park towards effective conservation. Meanwhile, the study results also contribute to the financial capital. The valuation considers both social and environmental costs. It captures the total economic value of the goods and services, both the marketed and non-marketed goods. Through the project, the value of honeybee was established, thus encouraging sustainable production. Also, the study was able to determine the maximum amount the households are willing to pay for the protection and conservation of the park's resources. This result therefore informs the development of entrance fees relevant for managing the ecotourism sites. To summarize, our project has highlighted the importance of valuation to wealth creation in terms of the 5 capitals model. As shown here, valuing forest ecosystem services for wealth creation can guide early development of ecotourism sites. It can also help management strategize in implementing entrance fees in other ecotourism sites and assist the decision makers in planning of activities to protect and manage the natural park. Therefore, we urge the national and local planners to consider the importance of using valuation as basis for sound decision making that will benefit both the community and the environment. We only have one Earth, and natural resources form part of this wealth, which is finite but indispensable. Let us make the value of forests and other ecosystems visible for us and for the future generation. Thank you and good day, everyone. If you have any question, you may reach us through this contact information.